Independence Day, also called 4th of July, or July 4th, in the United States, commemorates the passage of the Declaration of Independence by the Continental Congress on July 4, 1776. Independence Day is celebrated on Sunday, July 4, 2021 in the United States. Here are some of the facts about 4th of July. It is widely believed that America declared their independence from Britain on July 4, 1776. However, the official vote actually took place 2 days before, and the declaration was published in papers on July 4. Charles Thompson, and the infamous John Hancock, were the only two men who actually signed the Declaration of Independence on July 4, 1776. The other 54 delegates signed over the course of the next month. Thomas Jefferson, age 82, and John Adams, age 90, both died on July 4, 1826, within 5 hours of each other, on the 50th anniversary of the signing of the Declaration of Independence. July 4th was not deemed a federal holiday until 1870, nearly 100 years after the nation was founded. This year, Independence Day falls on a Sunday. The following Monday will be observed as a federal holiday. Happy 4th of July.